Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another brand new video of harakat, vowel, and movement series. Alhamdulillah ta'ala, we have started vowel series and we took our start with short vowels and we learned Fatha first and I taught you how to read Fatha and how it works. In today's video, we got Kasra, which is second short vowel of Arabic language. Kasra is a slanted dash, and it always comes under the letter, below the letter. You always see that sign whenever that slanted dash under the letter. So it means that this is Fatha. This is Kasra. Sorry, Fatha. It always comes at the top of the letter. This one, it comes under the letter. Kasra, it comes under the letter. Yeah, it is short vowel, so it moves the sound of letter, but it moves the sound of letters down, not up, as Fatha did. This is Kasra, right? So Kasra moves the sound of letters down. For example, we get here Alif and Hamza. So Alif, Kasra, E, E. Got it? Alif, E, Hamza, E. It is moving the sound of letter down. Here we get ba kasra, b, b. So ba fatha was ba because it was moving the sound of letter up, ba. So this one is b. Got it? Here ta kasra, ti, ta. Sometime we get shape like that round shape of ta sometime. And this one is tha with three dot, tha kasra, thi, thi. Right? Moving it down. Jim kasra G. Ha kasra He. Kha kasra Khi. Dal kasra Di. Right? Until Ya. Ya kasra Yi. It is moving the sound of Ya, whether it is Ya, Dal, Kha, every letter, it moves the sound of each letters down. Yi. And it comes under the letter here, slanted dash under the letter, not at the top, as we did with Fatha. Fatha, it always comes at the top of the letter and it moves the sound of letter up. But Kasra, it comes under the letter and it moves the sound below, down. Yi, Di, Khi, Hi, like this. Got it? Inshallah ta'ala. In next video, we're gonna learn Dhamma and I would teach you inshallah ta'ala how it works and how can we say Dhamma and a letter which is having a Dhamma sign. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.